What's going on, guys? Your favorite Jeep specialist here, Aaron Van Lee, down here at Sherwood Dodge, and today I'm showing you the all-new Grand Cherokee L. This is the limited trim level, so it comes with your LED headlights and tail lights. Now this vehicle does have chrome trim all the way around the vehicle, especially in the grille. Making away the side, you do see that you have your 20-inch rims, and over here you do have your heated mirrors with your blind spot detection in them as well. Now you do have keyless entry. Making our way to the inside, you have full leather interior with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. You also have all your safety features, including your adaptive cruise control and your forward front collision, along with your lane keep. Now this vehicle does include the 10-inch infotainment system and of course your fully electronic cluster. Making our way to the back here, you do see that you have your rear heated seats, which are the captain's chairs. Then you do have your 2 USB ports along with your 2 USB Type-C ports and your rear AC as well. And the third row also comes with 2 USB ports and 2 Type-C ports as well. Making our way all the way to the back here, you do see the first thing that you see is this nice big gap right in the bumper here. It's because before this video, I took off the panel to show you guys that it does come with your 74-pin wiring, along with your Class 5 Hitch receiver. Now, making our way to the inside, you do see that you have a backup camera there, but you also still have tons of space in the rear, even with the third row up. Here's your panel that covers the hitch and wiring, and you do have lots of space underneath as well. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Grand Cherokee L, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today. I look forward to hearing it from y'all soon.